Riley Kimura from Noran's Coffee Cafe. Today we're making a Piccolo Latte. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started with our ingredients and materials. The materials consist of a milk jug, a portafilter that's used for grinding the coffee to achieve the perfect dose, 2 small Piccolo jug cups here, and a milk measuring cup. And that's a milk measuring cup. This is the measured milk to go into the next cup. Ingredients consist of coffee beans, which will eventually go into this portafilter, and milk, and some water that's already been boiled to 93 degrees. Let's begin the tutorial. So we put our portafilter to start grinding coffee. This should take 30 seconds. Generally a bit less sometimes. And our coffee's been grinded. To measure our milk to roughly 1 cup. So, going to pour our milk into this little cup, then to transfer to the milk jug. Milk's added. Let's transfer it. So I'm transfer it now. I've put the milk jug over the sink. Doesn't spill too much. And we'll start pouring the coffee into both cups. This should make 2 servings. So just once it reaches the halfway mark. We're going to dump the coffee grinds into the coffee bin and wash the porter. We'll settle the milk foam and get ready for pouring. We'll pour coffee 1. And number 2. So we've just drained the milk. I'm going to add some microfoam on top to finish the coffee off. And there they are, Piccolo Lattes. Hope you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all later. Bye.